The entire world has been closed down due to coronavirus. Even many schools and universities have been completely shut down. But the learning never stops, which has stranded and confused many students, and they are looking for online resources. But the World Wide Web is really wide web. The information needs to be filtered to save the precious time of the students. So there we come in. We at Logical Learners provide live sessions on whiteboard with excellent teaching facilities, followed by assignments on the phone, which has to be clicked and submitted on that day. And if you're finding it difficult, we will send you a PDF solution as well. So we at Logical Learners are using all possible resources to make the learning interactive and easy and tailor-made for each and every individual students. We want to bring you the experience of a lecture at the comfort of your home, and we are using VideoScribe to make interactive animated whiteboard animation. Because studies have shown that 65% of the population are visual learners. And in a test for retention capacity after 3 days, written and oral sources were remembered only 20%, but visual sources were remembered 85%. Hence, we want your children to benefit from the interactive animated learning experience at Logical Learners. So you can click on the link below, or you can WhatsApp or mail us to register today. Thank you.